Welcome back, guys. So the NEO stock saw a perfect rejection from the weekly trend line that we have drawn before, but the question is, where will it find support? Before that, all the chapters are mentioned in the description, so you can skip to your favorite part. Starting with the weekly chart for NEO. So guys, we saw a perfect rejection from the $21 mark over here where the weekly trend line is available. The very obvious thing over here is, look at this, around the $13 mark. I can see this as very good support. Look at this, third time we are testing this now. In March we tested this from 13, we bounced till 23, almost 80-90%. Second time again from 13 we went up till 24, again 70-80% jump. So now we are here again. So this can be our first support. However, my concern is, look at the weekly RSI currently sitting at 34.7, likes to go around the 30 mark just like it did over here, even in the past if we see over here. So yeah, in terms of the RSI there is scope towards the downside. And so in that case, if we fail at $13, the next support we can find is at around $10.5 over here. Why? Because look at this, 2020 we saw support over here, and that is from where we saw all this bull run. Then some action available in March 2019 and September 2018 over here. But yeah, something of this sort can happen. We might bounce towards this trend line at around 17.5, come back down again. So basically the price will start getting squeezed over here, and then we will see a major breakout, hopefully towards the upside, where we go back and test the $22-23 mark, where the purple, which is the 100, and green, which is the 50 moving average, is available also. But the real interesting thing is, if I go to the daily chart, this is where it starts getting interesting. Look at the daily RSI currently sitting at 27. Very rarely we see this level. If I draw a line over here, look at this. In May we were here also, however price dipped to 11.7, and then we saw this huge bounce in price. Again in March we saw same thing, January same thing. So yeah, this RSI level of 27 is quite important. So given this, I have taken my first trade over here. The next I will take over here at around $10.5. Not only this, earnings are expected to be announced on 8 November. Current estimate for the earnings is sitting at -16 cents and revenue is sitting at $1.84 billion. I know there is a lot of bad news going on for NEO stock because the US is going anti-China right now and they don't want to promote any company that belongs to China. Hence we are seeing some crazy drops in the market, but eventually we will see an upside also. Let's quickly head over to the 4-hour chart. The situation gets even more interesting on the 4-hour chart. If we talk about the RSI, likes to go around the 25 mark, and that is from where we are seeing some nice bounce. Same in May, January, and then even in 2021 May, you can see. So you get the idea that in terms of the RSI, we are extremely oversold currently, and there might be a bounce coming towards the $16-17 mark as the first target, and second target can be the $20 range. On the 4-hour, the 200 moving average is also sitting at 22 currently. So yes, this can be our second target. But guys, look at this also. If someone buys today at $12.85, they have a take profit of 55 over here, and they set their stop loss at roughly $1. Look at this crazy risk to reward ratio of 3.65, which is considered as a very good risk to reward ratio. This is the reason why I am entering this trade now, because the risk to reward ratio is just insane on this stock. But I want to make it very clear to everyone that this is a Chinese company, and as you know what is happening between US and China, it is a very risky stock. Hence, if you are trying to enter into NEO stock, please consider proper risk management to protect your money. Also, if you like this video, it would be amazing if you could subscribe to the channel, share and like. Thank you for watching.